Fam, thank you again for joining us for Divine Balance. This week, we're going to talk about hair care, right? I'm not going to talk about all the things that I do for hair care, but I know that a couple weeks ago, I talked about taking care of your personal hair, right? And I know some of us wear extensions, some of us wear weaves, wigs, whatever, right? Whatever makes you happy, right? But you gotta make sure that you're taking care of you, right? You know, so I wanted to talk about hair care and what I'm kind of doing to take care of my hair, okay? So I want to say for my birthday or for Christmas, one of my best friends gave me a hair care line, and it was a black hair care line because I was experiencing some breakage of my real hair around my edges. I just wasn't taking care of my hair, right? And my extensions and things like that, I would use bobby pins around the edges, and so it would kind of pull and create a lot of tension around my end. And so just being transparent with you guys, I just wanted to share what she gave me. I've actually used what she gave me, and so I've since ordered 2 more kits. But I want to say that I'll actually add some pictures somewhere around here of what my hair looks like, what my hair used to look like, what it started looking like around the edges, and what it looks like now that I've been using this hair care line. I've been using it, I want to say maybe about 6 months. I'm not sure. You gotta take care of yourself. Self-care is important, and oftentimes we're really cheap with ourselves. And so she kind of was the one that was like, you gotta do you like you do everyone else. You'll do the most for everyone else. You'll run here, you'll run there, you'll do this, you'll make sure your mom's good, your grandma's good, everybody's good, but you rarely take the time to take care of you. And so shout out to my best friend. She definitely made sure that I had an opportunity to use this line, because I wouldn't have tried it on my own. I wouldn't have tried it elsewhere, right? So the name of the line is Blaq Luxury, okay? I don't know if you can see that, right? But it comes with 4 pieces, okay? It comes with I want to say it comes with 5 pieces. So I'm missing a piece. I'm at to run and go get that other piece, right? But it has the shampoo. This is actually one of the ones that I went and reordered. I don't know if you can see it. Shampoo. From the time that I got it to the time that I got the new bottle, actually they used to have twist tops, and you kind of like would push it in and then put it on your hair. Now they've like have these new improved bottles with the push top, so really cool, right? And they come with 300 milliliters, and so you get a lot, so you don't really have to use a lot. What I love about this shampoo and conditioner combo is it really helps my hair to be really soft. Now I have pretty decent hair, whatever that means, right? But at times my hair will be really coarse and hard to comb through, and so I think that this is really awesome for you if you are looking to find a brand that's going to help soften your hair. I also have a curly line, so if you are interested in, I guess, getting this look with your natural hair, they have that as well. So that's really awesome. They also have a soap that is for your scalp, so it detoxes your scalp. And so oftentimes, like I said, we don't take care of our personal hair like we take care of our weaves. We will let our weaves, we will let it sit for 24 hours for 2 business days. We will make sure that the conditioner is sitting in it. We will put it under the dryer. We will make sure that our weaves are laid and slayed, okay? But we won't do the same thing and don't take the same care of our personal hair. So, this scalp detox. All I'm just gonna say is this stuff lasts like a really long time. I ordered it because it was like on sale, right? Their prices are fairly reasonable, but it was on sale and it was like, this is really working for me. I want to order some more. And so I ordered more, and this is the detox. They have an order, they give you directions. I mean, the directions is very clear. They definitely let you know that, you know, what other items they have coming out. They have a Mega Grow Serum. Just told you my edges was coming out. All around in here. All up in here. It was coming out. My bad. It's coming out. This right here was just amazing for that. I'm gonna run and I'm gonna go get there's another piece. I'll be back. A growth balm, and it's made with Jamaican black castor oil. And set on everything, right? These two together, okay, your hair will grow back. If you don't have any issues with your hair, but you just want to make sure that you continue to take care of your natural hair, and even if you don't use weaves, right? It's a really good brand. My hair has grown. I had a lot of breakage and things like that. My hair has grown. It has gotten more healthier. It's just about feeding your hair, making sure that you're taking care of your natural hair. This brand is just amazing. I also did not tell you that they give you, I don't know if you can see that. Probably. There it is, a little bit. They give you like a cap to put over your hair to kind of let it sit. But the directions are very descriptive. They do not want you to leave this in for any longer than, you know, the specified time. You know, a lot of times we like to do what we want, right? But it's just very descriptive. It's very easy to use. It is a system that you will have for a while, because even if you wash your hair once a week, right? Or once every 2 weeks, or however you do it, right? This system lasts. A little goes a long way. A long way. And so if you want to definitely take care of your natural hair, definitely check out Blaq Luxury. It is a line that is worth every penny, every dime. Now, if you guys can share with me what hair care routines you have, if you're interested in seeing me use the system, wash my hair, and you just kind of want to see the whole process, I'm willing to do a video for you guys. Make sure you share your comments, like, subscribe, and make sure you hit that notification bell. Almost messed up that word. You saw that, right? Make sure you hit the notification bell so you don't miss any content, new content from us. We're gonna definitely continue to bring you good content. Make sure that we are definitely talking about self-care, talking about all things life. We're gonna be talking about finances, all of those things. But let us know what content you want to hear, what videos you want to see. Also, let us know what things you're doing, because sometimes the things that you're doing can help us too. So, we'll see you next week.